नमस्कार YouTube चैनल एन यूनिवर्स स्टडी में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे मंडी सुपरवाइज़र पेपर में पूछे गए रेलिवेंट सब्जेक्ट से संबंधित प्रश्न, रूल्स और एक्ट के बारे में। यह पेपर 23 अगस्त 2015 को हुआ था और यह इस सीरीज़ की हमारी तीसरी वीडियो है। इससे पहले हम 24 क्वेश्चंस के बारे में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। इसके टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं। अभी इसकी एक वीडियो और पेंडिंग है। इस वीडियो में हम 25 से 38 नंबर तक इस क्वेश्चंस को हम डिस्कस करेंगे और इन प्रश्नों की जो शब्दावली है वो इंग्लिश में रहने वाली है, तो आप इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से सुने। पहला क्वेश्चन है, फी ऑन द एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस लीव्ड अंडर सेक्शन 23 ऑफ द 1961 एक्ट नीड टू बी पेड विद इन। ऑप्शंस आर 7 days of transaction, 8 days of transaction, 9 days of transaction, 10 days of transaction, and the answer of this question is option A, 7 days of transaction. Next question is, as per Punjab Market Committee bylaws, minimum notice period required for convening a meeting is, options are 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 30 days, and the answer of this question is option A, 7 days. Next question is, as per Punjab Market Committee bylaws, which of the following is not true? And the statements are, notice of every meeting shall be issued by the chairman or under instruction of a chairman. Next option, every notice shall state that place, date and time of meeting. Meeting to be held at least once in 2 months. An emergent meeting may be conveyed by giving notice of not less than 24 hours. And the answer of this question is option C, meeting to be held at least once in 2 months. Next question is, quorum of meetings under Punjab Market Committee bylaws in which annual budget of the committee is to be considered should not be less than, options are 1/5 of the existing strength, 2/5 of the existing strength, 1/3 of the existing strength, 2/3 of the existing strength. And the answer of this question is option D, 2/3 of the existing strength. Next question is, as per Haryana State Agricultural Marketing Board Sale of Immovable Property Rules 2000, an earnest money in respect auction of soaps or soap plots is, options are rupees 15,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 75,000. And the answer of this question is option C, rupees 50,000. Next question is, which of the following is not true with respect to board constituted under Haryana Rural Development Act 1986? And the options are, the board shall consist of a chairman, the board shall consist of a chief administrator, the board shall consist of such other officials and non-officials members as the government may determine and appoint. Terms of office of the non-official members shall be 3 years. And the answer of this question is option B, the board shall consist of a chief administrator. And the next question is question number 31. State Agriculture Marketing Board under 1961 Act consists of a chairman, a chief administrator and, options are 11 other members, 12 other members, 13 other members, 14 other members. And the answer of this question is option A, 11 other members. Next question is, director of which of the following department is not represented under official members of the State Agriculture Marketing Board? And the options are Agricultural Department, Cooperative Department, Animal Husbandry Department, Forest Department. And the answer of this question is option D, Forest Department. And the next question is, term of office of non-official member of the State Agriculture Marketing Board under 1961 Act is maximum. And the options are 2 years, 3 years, 4 years and 5 years. And the answer of this question is option B, 3 years. And next question is, state government is required to sanction and return the budget of annual income and expenditure prepared and passed by the State Agriculture Marketing Board. I repeat the statement. State government is required to sanction and return the budget of annual income and expenditure prepared and passed by the State Agriculture Marketing Board. And the options are within 1 month, within 2 months, within 3 months and within 4 months. And the answer of this question is option B, within 2 months. Next question is, how many members shall constitute the quorum at meeting of a State Agriculture Marketing Board? How many members shall constitute the quorum at a meeting of State Agriculture Marketing Board? And the options are 4 members, 5 members, 6 members and 7 members. And the answer of this question is option A, 4 members. Next question is, in case of dispute between committees of new market area under 1961 Act as regard to liability or claim under a decree or order, the matter shall be referred for final decision to. I repeat the statement. In case of dispute between the committees of new market area under 1961 Act as regard to liability or claim under a decree or order, the matter shall be referred for final decision to. Options are collector, subdivisional magistrate, divisional commissioner, state government. And the answer of this question is option D, state government. And the next question is, which sections of the 1961 Act deals with the procedure to be followed for an area is to be declared as notified area? I repeat the statement. Which sections of the 1961 Act deals with the procedure to be followed for an area is to be declared as notified area? Options are section 3 and 4, section 5 and 6, section 7 and 8 and section 9 and 10. And the option of this and the answer of this question is option B, section 5 and 6. And the next question is, who amongst the following is exempted from the taking license under 1961 Act? Who amongst the following is exempted from taking license under 1961 Act? And the options are silk grower, manufacturer of certified seed, manufacturer of potato chips through processing, and wheat grower. And the answer of this question is option B, manufacturer of certified seed. So friends, if you like this video, please share with your friends and students on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe N Universe Study for getting more videos on the question related to relevant subject rules and act of Mandi Supervisor. And you may also join its Facebook group N Universe Study. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.